Hello, Clear Bra, North Dallas. Just showing you the startup of a full wrap. What we're using here is a proprietary product that has an iron remover and some other decon products in with it that we have somebody manufacture for us. And what we're doing is we're going to go over this whole car, and it takes a little bit of time. It's about 12 different steps that we use to make that exterior paint just perfect when we wrap it. Every edge, under all the door jambs, under all these areas, the rear diffuser, underneath the plates come off. We'll get every little edge. We'll blow out under all these belt moldings. And when it goes into the shop, everything is perfect. It comes out as clean as this car probably ever was before we put 1 ounce of Clear Bra on this car. So this is your first step. A lot of people want to know, do we wash the car? Yes. Do we decontaminate the car? Yes. Do we polish and compound whatever we need to do? Yes. So I hope this video helps people that want to get their Clear Bra. This is what you should be doing prior to any wrap. This is the first step. So I'm obviously going to end this in a second so I can get back to what I'm doing, to show you how we get all this dirt off to make this car look perfect. And I'll follow up with another video on the wrap, showing how nice it is here in a few days once it's done. So there you go. First step, decon, and getting everything off it with a nice, healthy, multi-step bath. Clear Bra, North Dallas. I hope this helps. Any questions, let us know.